And as soon as you learn how to use it properly, your editing will, you'll be twice as quick at editing things, and you'll get out so many more projects just by learning and understanding how to use the software.
Hey Tom.
Oh, hey there Angus, how you doing?
Good, thanks. For someone who's just getting started with video editing, what's your advice?
Yeah, get yourself involved with some tutorials. There's lots of great content out on YouTube in terms of kind of basic guides to Premiere Pro and some of the kind of essential tools you guys are gonna need. Work your way around Lumetri Color, so you can do some color grading. Work your way around subtitling features, so you know how to add a little bit of value to your clients in terms of SRTs. Masking, find out how to do some masking, work your way around like match cuts, simple stuff that adds just a little bit more production value to your your finished article.
What advice do you give to up and coming editors?
So, one tip that I give for any editor out there is like always take advantage of sound effects. I think you always kind of want to enhance the reality of a situation. So that means if you've got a lovely landscape, add in some sound effects of birds or like a flowing river in the background, something like that will really enhance the moment. Definitely take advantage of other people's talents. So if you have someone, a mentor or someone you can look up to, maybe even a manager who maybe has like more skills than you do, then I think you definitely just want to learn as much as you can from the people around you.
What advice do you give to people who are just learning to make videos?
Make sick shit. Edit wherever you can. Edit because you want to edit. So I'm editing, I'm not even gonna click on it. I'm just putting together videos of my friends edit, and it's great. And it's really good though. It has all the basic things you need, as well as transitions. And then obviously iMovie is a great base for learning.
Casey Neistat started his whole career off on it.
Exactly.
Ollie, I understand you've just come back from a shoot.
Yes, I'd say learn the software that you're using fairly extensively. Watch some tutorials on YouTube, play around with it, edit some fun things, try to experiment with stuff. The best way to learn all the settings and the quickest and most efficient ways of using your software are by watching these videos and experimenting with things. And as soon as you learn how to use it properly, your editing will, you'll be twice as quick at editing things, and you'll get out so many more projects just by learning and understanding how to use the software.
Take over, because you just remind me of something. One other thing that I recommend is also proxies, because if you have a computer like this one that's just a bit old, just a bit slow, what you can do is download proxies, reduce the file size, much easier for old, slow, senile computers to use the footage in Premiere. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode of the vlog. Don't forget to like, follow and comment below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Woo!
I had a discussion with Richard earlier. Your fucking phone.